Pax Christi Nigerian Catholics. Now His Holiness Pope Francis has added a new cardinal to the consistory that will be taking place in December this year, and he is Archbishop Domenico Battaglia of Naples. Popularly known as Don Mimo, he joins the list of cardinals who will receive the Red Hat on the 7th of December 2024. Born in Calabria and Archbishop of Naples, Italy since 2020, the 61-year-old Archbishop is well known for his outreach assisting those in need. By this appointment, the number of new cardinals returns to 21, following the request not to be made a cardinal by Bishop Pascalis Bruno of Indonesia. Now you will recall that at the end of the Angelus on the 6th of October, the number of new cardinals had fallen by 1 following the request not to be made a cardinal by Bishop Pascalis Bruno of Indonesia. On the 22nd of October, who had expressed his wish to continue his personal growth, quote, in service to the Church and to the people of God, stemming from a desire to further deepen his priestly life. So together with the Italian city of Turin and Archbishop Roberto Rapol, a large Italian diocese returns to being a cardinaltial see. Now, Archbishop Battaglia, who is popularly known as Don Mimo, still plays a prominent pastoral role in southern Italy with a background as a street priest committed in particular to young people and those struggling with drug addiction. The Pope also called him to be among the members of the 2 sessions of the Synod on Synodality. So we want to say a huge congratulations to the newest member of the College of Cardinals, who will receive the Red Hat on the 7th of December 2024. We pray that the Lord will grant him all the graces that he needs to carry out his work, assisting the Holy Father in his ministry. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.